Hey everyone, Hunter with Injected Motorsports. We're here to show off the motor job that we're still working on. Maybe I do another series as well. Long story short, Lmm Duramax. Customer wanted to upgrade the long block. There's the old one. So we got a Choate Performance long block here. New heads. They did all the head work and everything like that. We just a quick overview. Obviously it's got Xotic Performance head studs that we use. Factory, that's still the factory rocker arms and everything. I did put new ARP rocker arm bolts in there. I have not set the valve lash yet. That'll be in a different video. Just kind of going over the specs of everything. Mahle gaskets, Exergy pump, that is new. Factory aluminum intake runners. This was on the truck, this water pump, we just cleaned it up. It was only maybe been on the truck maybe 5,000 to 6,000 miles, so we just put new gasket kits on it. A new front cover, new pump. It does have a PPE deep pan underneath. You can't see well, that, like I said, it'll be another video. Just kind of want to show you a quick overview of it. This will have the HSP forward-facing crossover with Mishimoto low temp thermostats. I think we are using the ATI Damper. Like I said, we just put it on there so I can show you real quick. This is not anything finished here. Don't forget your little keyway there. You can see it here. Like I said, we just kind of stuck it on real quick for video purposes. Crossover is already mounted on. We are going to be using PPE green mounts. OE stiffness, that's usually about what most go with anyways. For this motor, yeah, 750 is what it'll hold. It's got Mahle pistons in it. Kind of pretty simple design. We're going to reuse factory manifolds. It does billet flywheel here. We do cap the oil feed. We are going to run our normal dirty hooker diesel right here to the oil galley. We're going to run that remote line straight to our turbo. Extra feed. And yeah, that's kind of new ARP flywheel bolts. Pretty much everything on this motor will be new gaskets, new everything, except for reuse the manifold. And we are likely, since it's an LMM, we're likely just going to reuse your factory oil cooler. It's fine. We'll just, like I said, clean it up, reseal it, make sure it's all good. Go from there. It does have new fuel lines. It'll have pretty, like I said, everything will be pretty much new on this. So we are going to do a series of things on this, a video series. So if y'all want to see something on the pages or groups here, let us know. I can kind of show you if you want to view something that you can't really see in the truck, like something like this your little coolant crossover tube there. Now's the time I can show you. Sensors down here. Anyways, that's pretty much it for now. HSP Y-bridge kit will be going in. We'll just start putting all the fuel system on here next after we set the lash. I have to powder coat rocker boxes. So here in a second I will cover it back up. Just Just wanted to show you all a few things on this motor here. There you go. Enjoy.